Have you ever sent a text message and had someone completely misunderstand what you meant? Maybe you were being sarcastic, but they thought you were serious. Communication is tricky, even for us humans. Now consider this. Can a machine, a piece of code running on a computer chip, actually know how you feel? Can an artificial intelligence look at your words, listen to your voice, and tell if you're happy, sad, angry, or surprised? It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But this technology is here, right now in 2025, and it's getting more powerful every day. Scientists are building systems designed to read human emotions. This field is called affective computing, or emotion AI. The first tool is natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine a super-fast librarian who can read millions of books instantly and understand word relationships. The AI breaks down your sentences, identifies words, punctuation, and grammar. It performs sentiment analysis, looking for words associated with emotions. Joyful gets a high positive score, while terrible gets a negative score. But emotion is complex. The AI must understand that not flips the meaning of happy, and that sarcasm uses positive words to convey negative feelings. AI also analyzes your voice, the pitch, volume, and tempo. High pitch might indicate excitement or fear, while low pitch could suggest sadness. Facial recognition maps key features: eyebrow position, mouth shape, eye corners. It's like putting a digital mesh over your face. If it sees furrowed brows, glaring eyes, and pressed lips, it calculates a high probability of anger. But do we all express emotions the same way? Cultural differences are huge. A smile might mean happiness in one culture, but politeness in another. This brings us to the big question. Does the AI actually understand your emotions? Does it feel sadness when it labels your voice as sad? The answer is a clear no. The AI does not understand or feel emotions like humans do. It's pattern matching, like a student taking a test in a foreign language, using a book of old answers to match patterns without understanding the subject. The AI has learned to associate inputs like wonderful or a smiling mouth with happy, but it has no internal experience of happiness, no memories of that feeling. It doesn't know you might be smiling at a funeral because you're remembering a funny story. It only sees the smile and matches it to its happy pattern. We should say, the AI has classified my expression as matching patterns labeled anger, rather than the AI knows I'm angry. It's a sophisticated statistical analysis, but still just guessing. When AI misinterprets emotions, consequences can be harmful. A nervous job candidate might be rejected because AI misread their fidgeting as dishonesty. In security, AI might flag someone as suspicious for looking afraid, but what if they're just scared of flying? Studies show these systems are less accurate for women and people of color. In mental health apps, AI might tell someone genuinely struggling that they seem fine, preventing them from seeking help they need. What could be more personal than your emotions? Every face scan, voice analysis creates a surveillance network where your emotional life is captured and stored. Who owns this emotional data? It's incredibly valuable. Sold to advertisers, insurance companies, political campaigns. Your insurance premium could be affected by AI assessing you as high stress. Knowing we're watched changes our behavior. We might perform emotions for algorithms rather than showing how we truly feel, eroding authenticity and humanity. Can we trust emotion AI? Much of this technology is a black box. Even creators don't know how it makes decisions. How can we trust what we can't understand? We're at a crossroads. This technology promises amazing tools for medicine and communication, but risks bias, manipulation, and privacy loss. The most important thing to remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human connection. No algorithm can replace genuine empathy, a friend's presence, or listening with an open heart. The future of feelings isn't about whether machines can understand us, but whether we can use these tools to better understand each other, and that is a very human endeavor.